Behold the sun. It's not a normal sun, if you noticed. That is because there's fires in the neighborhood. So, sorry for the noise. It's a holiday. There's people, there's things, there's weirdness, there's all kinds of stuff. How about we do some griddling and ignore all that? We got some hamburger. We got some mac and cheese I made inside instead of out here this time. In case you're wondering, it's the mac and cheese deluxe. I like the cheesy deluxe stuff. My lovely assistant would prefer the something else, the old-fashioned mac and cheese. But since I'm cooking, since I'm cooking, we'll do it this way. Although there is something to be said about the old-fashioned mac and cheese. You add butter, you add milk, or water, or whatever. Something to be said for that, for sure. So, salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash, other stuff. The secret seasoning goes really good with all meat, most vegetables, no fruit, but most griddle meals. We got all the stuff for pizza. We didn't bother getting cheese because we had this gigantic economy industrial size package of pizza cheese that we bought, I don't know, a month or two ago. And it's outlived us. Hey, Baha. Hey, Fred. We have company. We have Fred. Hi, Fred. Hey, welcome to the show. No, I can't pet you. The internet said I shouldn't be petting dogs while I'm cooking. And they're right. Yes, I missed you too. Yeah. Fred is one of the visitors for the holiday. Right, Fred? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, I love you. Okay. You see our hamburgers coming along here. You know, it's amazing. I got up at way too early at 5:30 this morning, and the temperature was already hovering around 100, or still hovering from last night. And then, hey, what? No, you can't have none. The temperature, or the winds were coming off the desert, bringing the Santa Ana desert temperatures, hot, dry, dangerous. And then, halfway through the day, the wind decided, no, we'll bring in some ocean breeze. And the temperature dropped 15-20 degrees in no time. So it was 80 and we were very grateful. It's still 80. It's been 80 all day. Well, since the wind shifted. It's such a nice relief. Only 80. And I would have thought the shifting winds would send the smoking in that different direction, but it did not. So, our ground beef is about ready. Oh, anyway, the cheese. Thanks for reminding me. The pizza. We had everything, but our cheese had gone bad. So we had to toss it and come up with another plan. And we just happened to have some unthawed ground beef. Right? Right, Baja? So we got Bajas, we got Freds. There's Raja the cat around somewhere. There's probably kids running around. No, I'm not getting your ball from under the griddle. You know better. So, mac and cheese. Let's dump this on here, shall we? See what happens? Fred. I think that's his own family he's barking at. He's a little weird sometimes. So, we've got some chili ready tomatoes. Oh, we dumped those on just for the fun of it. Right, Fred? You silly. He's my buddy. You're cute for a little dog. Yes, you're cute for a little Chihuahua dog. Okay. You know what? Before I start mixing, let us add, sorry about the noise again, we got some chili seasoning mix. Let's dump that on there. Give it some chili flavor. Not a whole lot. We can adjust. You can always add more, but you can't take away. There's neighbors riding around on a four-wheeler. Sorry. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look cheesy and tomatoey and all those other many adjectives and adverbs? Oh, yeah. But wait, there's more. We could have chopped up some onion to add on here, but we've got chopped onion. Chopped onion. Right, puppies? Okay. There's quite a bit of chopped onion, but that's okay. You don't mind. Do you like garlic? We got granulated garlic. And I got some chives I'll put on at the very end. Maybe even after I take it off the griddle. Oh wait, I'm thinking of the green onion. Never mind. I can add the chives. The griddle top's a little shaky all of a sudden. That's okay, I am too. It works out that way. Doesn't that look good? I think that looks good. It's the cheesiest. Just like me. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Let's give it another little stir. Right, Fred? He's a good boy. Normally I'm more of a big dog type of guy, but sometimes there's a cute little Chihuahua like Fred that you just hit it off with, you know what I mean? So, let's, should we try to burn our tongue? Ah. Oh, that's good. That was just the right amount of chili and everything else. So we did that. Fred, would you like to say anything to the internet? Good boy. Good boy. Oh, let's switch. Extreme close up. Extreme close up. Extreme close up. Yay! I think this is a winner. Let's turn that off. We'll let you take a peek at the sun again. Really, that's the sun. Smoke from a distant fire. Anyway, that's all we got. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye!